I'm Andre Robichaud with the Infrastructure Health and Safety Association, and I'm going to be talking about the proper hand washing techniques for when we're indoors with plumbed in tap and soap. All right, so I'm at the sink. I'm going to turn the water on, rinse my hands off, get a good rinsing, and we'll get some of the soap from the dispenser here, get a good quantity of soap, and I'm going to start working up a nice lather. Make sure you get the whole surface. Don't forget the back of the hands. Work up on the wrist. Get in between. We're going to scrub in between each of the fingers like this. Then we're going to actually clean each individual finger down. This is going to help us get all the little spots in between each of the finger. I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand. Okay. Once we've done that, we're going to go back to the palms. Finally, a good scrubbing of the palms and fingertips of each one. Okay. And then finally, we're going to rinse it off. Once I've done a good rinse, I'm going to leave the tap on for now because when I turn the tap on, my hands could potentially have been contaminated. So I'll grab some paper towels here. I can dry my hands off quite well. And making sure I wipe everything off. Once my hands are dry, using the paper towel, I'll turn off the sink, dispose of the towel. So I just want to talk a minute here about when you're out at work and maybe you don't have the availability of a sink, water and soap and such to clean your hands. Another alternative could be hand sanitizer. I've got a couple of different types here. We've got the foaming type right here that goes into this dispenser. And then we've got this small bottle of liquid hand sanitizer. Both of these can be used to clean your hands. Okay, next I just want to talk about some of these type of cleaning products here. These products are designed for cleaning surfaces, countertops, tools, doorknobs, things like that. They're not actually supposed to be used for cleaning our hands. In fact, if you were to look here, I can just read from the label on this one, it clearly says not for cleaning or sanitizing skin. So make sure when you're cleaning your hands, you're using something like the hand sanitizer, soap and water, not these products. All right, so that wraps up the demonstration on washing our hands. And just a reminder, wash your hands often. And remember, when soap and water is not available, the hand sanitizer should be used.